Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing a serum with you guys which can be used for reducing sensitivity if you have a damaged skin barrier, if you have used some steroid cream and have adversely damaged your skin barrier, if you have used a retino or retinoid and is suffering from extreme sensitivity, if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation. So yeah, this is a kind of all-in-one serum which can be used to control all of this. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So basically this serum is a tranexamic acid serum and it is not a commercially available serum. It is formulated by doctor. If you are from the south, I think you are quite aware that Dr. Renita Rajan is a renowned dermatologist. She has her own store, the Chosen Store, and you can check out all her Instagram and her channels and the store in the description box below. I will leave all of those for you in the description box below. And yes, this is not at all a sponsored video. I have purchased this and I have tested this over a span of time. Coming to the ingredients of this serum.
The red covery serum comes in 15ml bottle priced at 900 and the product will last approximately for 3 months if you are using 2 to 3 drops daily.
Well, how do I use this serum?
Well, this is a very smooth serum that easily gets absorbed without stickiness or oiliness. On application, the serum is light to touch, spreads easily. Some individuals may experience slightly warm to mild tingling sensation, but I didn't have. And it is well tolerated by all skin types and was specifically developed for people with sensitive skin.
Well, how long can you use this serum?
This serum can be safely used up to 12 weeks and there is no withdrawal effects on the skin once the serum is stopped. Serum is not recommended to be used alongside with another moisturizer, but you can use your moisturizer on the same day but at different times.
Is it safe? What was my experience? I have used this as a standalone serum at night and I have not used any other products alongside. For a few days I did apply a moisturizer because it did feel a bit drying during the winter months. I mean during January. So I did proceed with a moisturizer, but nowadays I use it as a standalone serum and this is the only product I'm using at night. And let me just be very clear that it doesn't show immediate results. It takes some time, but the first and foremost thing you need to do is consistency, and also don't try out a lot of products while you're using this because that again might lead to sensitivity, which I have done, and that's why I'm telling you again in this video that don't try out any new products while you're using this because you are actually trying to control sensitivity. So yeah, this product will serve some purpose to you for sure, but don't use any other products while you're using this. But I did see an improvement on my sensitivity and also on my dark spot. It has lightened quite a lot, but yes, I'll be sharing the final results in after a month or so, and I'll be sharing with all of you. But this was the serum which I need to tell about because many of you have been pinging me over Instagram and even in YouTube. I think many of you are suffering from sensitivity and I think this might help you, and that is the main reason why I am doing the review of the serum after 1 month. I actually wanted to do it after 2 to 3 months of usage, which I couldn't because many of you have been pinging me, so I thought okay, this might be useful. So yes, that is the main purpose of doing this. I'm not sharing any before and after pictures in this video. That's because I have unfortunately used a cleanser on my skin and have damaged my skin again. So yeah, I need to revert that and then I will come up with a final after and before picture after around a month or so. I have obviously tried to cover few of the points in the video, but still if you are doubtful, you can always ping them, reach out to them in Instagram or via email. And yes, I think that's all about this video. I hope you found this useful. Stayed until this point, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you can also like the video if you like it. So yeah, see you in my next video pretty soon. Bye.